Hello and welcome to Exchange 2019. In this short session, we're going to look at Control M, auto discovery and conversion of Cron within your infrastructure, or otherwise known as workload blind spot detection. So who within an organization cares about cron tabs and workload blind spot detection? Typically, the personas we identify with is anybody that has to deliver a service to the business. This may be a director of service management, a head of IT operations. Typical pains associated with Cron tab and Windows Task Scheduler is lack of visibility to your business service, lack of audit, compliance and governance within Cron tabs and your organization, silos of automation and time-dependent scheduling, and also finally huge vulnerabilities associated with cron tab usage, and a number of customers working with BMC have mandated no cron within their organizations. So what are the typical gains we see for customers after using BMC Auto Cron Discovery and Conversion? Well, you'll now be using Control M, so you'll have an enterprise-wide view and a single point of control for all your business services. We're going to extend the governance and absolutely improve your compliance, remove those vulnerabilities from within your estate, and also provide a seamless and transparent and proven capability convert cron tab to Control M. So let's take a look how workload blind spot detection identifies cron tabs within your estate. Initially, from the Control M conversion tool, we need to create a new project. So for the purpose of this demo, I will create a new project, and we're going to, for the purpose of the demo, use Cron tab. We create this new project, and here you can see that we're going to import data manually. So for this, we need to provide the conversion tool with a file, an extracted cron tab file from your environment. So how do we extract the cron tabs and automatically discover those cron tabs within your estate? So let's now take a look at the steps required for BMC Discovery to auto-detect cron tabs within your organization. Firstly, we start by adding credentials to allow Discovery to scan all your servers within your estate. Next, we provide Discovery with a range of IPs that you want to scan for cron tabs. So this can be done on an individual basis, it can be granular, or you may decide to choose to run the Discovery capability against your whole estate to identify potential vulnerabilities that are exposed by using cron tabs. We have now run the discovery pattern across your whole estate and identified cron tabs and vulnerabilities within your organization. The next step is to review the cron tabs that have been identified and exposed, and it might be useful to see these jobs actually on the server. So from here, we can actually look at the details of the cron tabs, and more importantly, we now know we have identified any potential vulnerabilities within your estate. So now we've used BMC Discovery to identify the cron tabs within your environment, we can now use control and conversion capabilities to seamlessly convert the cron tabs into Control M jobs. We use the output from Discovery as input to the conversion tool. So this will be in a text format. We import that data into Control M, and then we process that data to create Control M jobs. As you can see in this example, we have created 294 Control M jobs from the output of the discovery. Finally, from the Control M planning domain, we can import the converted cron tab into Control M. We locate the XML file, and we quite simply import this into our desktop. Now at this point, we are not committing these to Control M, but we can actually review the results of the output. Control M also provides the ability to disable the cron tabs it identified, as well as creating Control M jobs. So you can see here there's a number of disabled jobs. If we were to run these, it would disable the cron tab. On the right hand side, we can see the cron tab converted jobs, and from here we can check the job dependencies and we can check the job criteria to ensure validation and correctness of the job definitions. Thank you very much for your time today, and have a great rest of Exchange 2019.